Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for you guys and we're gonna be doing some lip scrub. So right now I have my ingredients, everything I'll be using, plus the measurements will be linked down in the description box, so please do well to check that out. So right now I have some sugar, which is like the main ingredient right now, and in this bowl I have some shea butter, I have some coconut oil, and I have beeswax. The beeswax right now, as you see, is 1 ounces, but we're going to be using half of it, which is 0.5 ounces of beeswax. And we're going to be using turmeric for coloring, as well as we use vitamin E oil for like moisturizing and stuff like that. So with these measurements, you can modify it to fit whatever consistency and quantity you want. So just let me know in the description box if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer you. Right now I have some gloves as well. If you're doing it for your business, make sure everywhere is sanitized and you're using clean stuff on your gloves. Here I have some containers where I'll be storing my lip scrub. I got this from my grocery store, from Walmart. You can also purchase that from Amazon, I think. And this is what I'll be using. So as I earlier said, you can do whatever quantity you want and whatever consistency you want. So this is what I'm doing, and this is just what I'll be using at home. I'm not selling this, it's just for my personal use. So let's start making the lip scrub. Right now I have my beeswax, shea butter, and cocoa nut oil. I'm just go ahead and melt that out. I have my sugar right now. I'm just gonna add in my turmeric, just mix that out and make sure it blends evenly, after which I'm just going to include the liquid beeswax into it. Mix. If you have like a runny consistency at some point, make sure you add more sugar. It's gonna give you the consistency you want at the end of the day. And if it's too thick, you can add some oil like coconut oil, avocado oil, whatever oil of your choice. You can add that on there too. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please do well to like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comment sections. I will actually welcome any new ideas or anything I could have added in my scrub or subtracted. So just let me know. And if you have any video ideas, please do well to let me know as well in the comment section. Right now, just enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay safe as always. Bye bye.